This step is for stuffing the filling. Tuck the lining into the belly. Try to reach your fingers deep inside, and straighten the corners of the clothing. Hook your fingers toward the back of the head. We need to fill the gap between the fingers and the face with stuffing. Take out the vacuum-packed stuffing. There are 2 small cuts on the edge. You can tear the package open from there. Vacuum compressed stuffing is flat when first opened. After taking it out, fluff it up by pulling it apart. Stuff the stuffing through the opening in the back head. Only fill the head. The body does not need stuffing. Insert your fingers through the opening at the bottom, and adjust the position of the stuffing so that it fills the gap between the fingers and the face fabric. Continue stuffing, adding a little at a time. You can also keep adding stuffing into the space between the fingers and the back of the head. Don't forget the sides. Make sure every part of the head is fully stuffed. The amount of stuffing used is about 70% of the total. Adding more stuffing will make it plumper and cuter, but it may also squeeze the fingers. Decide freely according to your preference. Tidy up any stray fluff, and then neaten the stitched edge at the back of the head. Use a ladder stitch. Insert the needle inside the top of the head. Use the ladder stitch as shown in the basic tutorial, inserting left and right. For added stability, start stitching from a point closer to the top of the head. Follow the stitching points, sewing from left to right. While sewing, be careful not to let the stuffing come out.
At the end, also take a few extra stitches to reinforce the seam. Hold the stitched edge as you pull the thread. Pull gently and slowly. This allows you to better control the tightness of the thread. Do not pull too tight, otherwise it will leave a sunken seam, which won't look good. Tie a knot here. At this point, it's already finished, but if you'd like to make it more refined and cute, you can continue with me. Near the knotting point, reinsert the needle following the direction of the thread. Then bring the needle out a short distance away in front. Pull the thread through and tighten it. You'll see the knot disappear inside the fabric. Now the knot is no longer visible from the outside. Trim the remaining thread close to the edge, and then tidy up the doll's clothing corners and facial contours.